So I just found a food truck. It's in Wilson. We got a 30-minute drive. As you can see, it's hot than a motherfucker. But the food look good. It's made by this dude named, I don't want to say his name wrong, but it's Gerardo Whitehead. It's in Wilson. So his prices look decent. It's okay. And hey, about to knock this review out. This is the good old country road, 95, baby. 95, all you see is trees and highway. Trees and highway. Almost ran off the road. I need to clean my mirror, that's what I did. Ooh, I'm on the way to Wilson, baby. About 20 minutes away from the location. He said the food, he said he'll start around 11:30. So I should be on time. Hopefully I'm the first customer there. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but my Jeep don't got no AC. It's all good though. It's all good. Got the wind, got the natural air. Ha! But yeah, I guess I see you guys when I get there. Like I said, there ain't nothing but trees. Trees and cars. Trees and cars. Alright, y'all. Made it to Walmart in Wilson. This is where he said he can be posted up at. So, we have a problem. We have a problem, folks. Food truck supposed to be here at 11:30. Got here around 12 o'clock. The dude didn't even show up. I've been in Wilson. It's like 1:30. You can do the math on that. But text the dude. Ain't get a reply back yet. I guess he's somewhere busy. I don't know. But brother hungry. So I got me some Chick-fil-A. It is alright. Everybody know how Chick-fil-A is. Fries a little country. Man, I want that food. I'm gonna post a picture of his food. That food looked good. I don't know if he's too busy or what. But I read the whole hour and a half. Your Chick-fil-A fries kind of dry, kind of overcooked. But brother hungry though. I'm hungry. So free to review of the day. I guess it'll be Chick-fil-A, folks. Everybody done had Chick-fil-A already. But it's all good though. We're gonna try again either later on today tomorrow, Sunday family day. So let me see how that goes. Woo! Damn. That lemonade. Oh, that not sweet. A little too sweet. But the Chick-fil-A got the Polynesian sauce. No more sauces for them. But man, I'm disappointed. Disappointed in the brother. Thought he gonna be on time. I don't know how this food truck business stuff works, so I really can't complain. But I don't know. I don't want to say too much. At least I try again another time, bro. That part is. Oh, then I got the spicy chicken sandwich. That motherfucker look good. Look at this right here. Let's see what I got. Got to be more careful, bro. Got to be more careful. You dip that in that Polynesian sauce like this, bro. Let me get another dip. See it about. They're good. They're real good. But alright, Space Fam. That was a disappointment of the day. But it's all good. Try again another day. Tell you this junk never miss. That junk never miss. Woo! Oh shoot. I'm about to drop it. Look at that. Look at that. Get a little messy. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's that Polynesian sauce, that nice juicy chicken. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Straight D-Mobs. Look at that. But yeah, Space Fam. So I'm gonna go back to the crib. This food about to put me to sleep. I feel it. That was it. That was it right there. Kevin Cat with you. Well, it would have been nice to do a food truck review. The food looked good. Still gonna post a picture. That lemonade hit. Let me refill. I ain't about to go in there. Too much. All right, Space fam.